So the crimper I'm going to be using is the Bedhead Wave Artist Ceramic Deep Waver. This was $25. I got it from Walmart. And yeah, clearly you can see I have not used it yet. This is going to be my first time crimping my hair. Because y'all know I always come on camera not knowing what I'm doing for real and just winging it. So let's see how this goes. So I did not record an intro, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sideasia, and yeah, today I'm going to be doing this crimp hair tutorial. This was my first time crimping my hair, like I said, but y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just taking my heat protectant, brushing it throughout my hair. This hair actually is straight hair, but I had it in braids. I had washed it and I wore it in braids. So I'm just taking my hair and putting it into small sections and clipping it up in a bag so that it's easier to maintain and stuff, and the hair's not all on my face. And then I'm taking my hairspray. You can take any hold hairspray. I didn't really want to waste my got to be glued on this because I did not need these to I didn't want these super crunchy hard waves. I wanted it like real like beach waves type waves. So and just a heads up, y'all are gonna see me burn myself 1,000 times in this video, so enjoy. But anyway, I'm not about to talk over this whole video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and it's a repetitive process, so if you learn by watching like me, then this is a video for you. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have more tutorials coming soon. This is so cute. Alright, let me finish this. Where are we eating?
Where are we about to eat at?
This hair is from Yolissa Hair Company off of AliExpress. This is a 13x4 lace frontal straight Brazilian wig. The density is 150%. I really like this hair. I've had it for a few months now. This is my go-to wig whenever my hair is not done. I just throw this wig on, and yeah, I bleached the lace so that it blends in with my skin, and it doesn't shed, doesn't tangle. Like, this wig is the bomb. The only problem that I have with it is that it's too big for my head, but that's because I got it in 150% density and I need to stick to 130. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial using this crimper. This is my first time crimping my hair, and it came out pretty good. I feel like every time I come on camera not knowing what I'm doing, it still comes out good. I just blessed. I just got a gift like that. But yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and come back for more hair videos. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, see you in my next video.